Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 42 from exercise 3.4, first year class. Exercise 3.4. Remember that you have already the idea about the symmetric and skew or anti-symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equal to A, then A is symmetric. And if A transpose is equal to minus A, then A is anti-symmetric or skew symmetric. We will apply this formula here in this question. In exercise 3.4, we have question number 1. A and B are given. If A is equal to 1 minus 2, 5, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 5 minus 1, 0, and B is given, then show that A plus B is symmetric. Remember that question number 1, if A plus B is symmetric, then we have to prove that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A plus B. This is by definition, just like A transpose is equal to A, then A is symmetric. A plus B is symmetric, then we have to prove that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A plus B. Now we will take right hand side first, that is A plus B. We have to add them. 1 minus 2, 5, minus 2, 3, minus 1. 1 minus 2, 5, minus 2, 3, and minus 1. 5 minus 1 and 0. After that we have B. Minus 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 0 and minus 1, then minus 2, minus 1 and 2. First of all, you will add them. First plus first, plus minus minus, first plus first, second plus second, and third plus third, fourth plus fourth, fifth plus fifth, and sixth plus sixth, plus minus minus. Then 7 plus 7, plus minus minus, 5 minus 2, this is minus 1 minus 1, and 0 plus 2. We will write down, implies that there is minus 2, minus 1 and 3, minus 1, 3 and minus 2. Here is 3 minus 2 and plus 2. Dear students, you have right hand side A plus B is equal to this one. So what about left hand side? That is A plus B transpose. You will write down A plus B, and this is A plus B. Minus 2, minus 1 and 3, minus 1, 3 and minus 2, 3 minus 2 and 2, whole transpose. After that, remember that in case of transpose, you interchange rows into columns. First row become first column, second row becomes second column, and third row becomes third column. And you can check that this was your right hand side. Hence, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's your answer. After that, we have question number 2, and there are two parts. First part is for symmetric with positive sign, and second part is with negative sign. We have skew symmetric. So I am taking question number 2, part 2. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Question number 2, part 2. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric, where A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, and minus 1, minus 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 3, and 2. We have to prove that A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to minus into A minus A transpose. Remember that if A transpose equal to minus A, then A is anti-symmetrical skew symmetric. And in case of A minus A transpose skew symmetric, then you will write down A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to minus into A minus A transpose. Now first of all we will find A minus A transpose. First of all, write down A transpose by interchanging rows into columns. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, and third row becomes third column. After that, A minus A transpose 1, 2, and 0, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 3, 2. Minus A transpose is 1, 3, and minus 1, 2, 2, and 3, 0, minus 1, and 2. First minus first, 0. Second minus second is minus 1. Now I am writing down directly. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 0 minus minus plus, that is 1. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Then minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. 3 minus minus plus. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Now taking transpose on both sides. A minus A transpose whole transpose. We will have 0 minus 1 1, 1 0, and minus 4. And then minus 1 4 0. Minus 1 4 and 0. Taking transpose on both sides. Here. Taking transpose on both sides. You will interchange rows into columns. First row becomes first column, 0, minus 1, and 1. Second row becomes second column, 1 0 and minus 4. Third row becomes third column, minus 1 4 0. Dear students, you can take minus common from here. All the internal sign will change. It will be 0, minus 1 and 1. 1, 0 and minus 4. Minus 1 and 4, 0. Remember that this was A minus A transpose. Here is. So it will be minus into A minus A transpose. So you can check. This was your left hand side. Here is your right hand side. Minus into A minus A transpose. So this is your question number 2 part. I hope that you understood. They are easy, a little bit lengthy. After that, question number 3. If A is any square matrix of order 3, then show that A plus A transpose is symmetric, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. This is 3 by 3 matrix, and you can write down A matrix as A11, A12, A13. In question number 3, you can write down A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Dear students, this is a matrix A with order 3. Means 3 rows and 3 columns. So I hope that you can complete by using these formulas. If A transpose equal to A, it is symmetric, asymmetric. If A transpose minus A, it is anti-symmetric. I hope that you can complete this question. After that, we have question number 4. If the matrices A and B are symmetric, and AB is equal to BA, show that AB is symmetric. Question number 4. If A is symmetric, then A transpose is equal to A. If B is symmetric, then B transpose is equal to B. Also, AB is equal to BA. They are given. If A is symmetric, A transpose is equal to A. B is symmetric, B transpose is equal to B. AB is equal to BA. This is given. We have to prove that AB is symmetric. So it means that if AB is symmetric, we have to prove that AB whole transpose is equal to AB. This is the condition for AB to become a symmetric matrix. Then AB transpose is equal to AB. Now we are taking left hand side. AB whole transpose. In previous exercise, you know about this. That AB whole transpose is equal to actually B transpose A transpose. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. You have seen even in 9th class, chapter number 1. Now B transpose is equal to B. We are using it. Similarly, A transpose is equal to A. Since B transpose is equal to B, A transpose is equal to A, and BA is equal to AB. Since BA is equal to AB, it was given also. So that is your right hand side. Hence, AB is symmetric. That was your question number 4. After that, I hope that you can solve your question number 5. Show that A transpose is symmetric for matrix of order 2 by 3. Remember that matrix of order 2 by 3 means 2 rows, 3 columns. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is the matrix of order 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So you can multiply A transpose as A and then you will prove that it is symmetric. Symmetric means A transpose, whole transpose, A transpose. That will be A transpose, whole transpose equal to A transpose. Basically you have to prove this for proving A transpose is symmetric. After that, question number 6. If A is given, show that A plus A bar transpose is Hermitian. Remember that we have Hermitian matrix just like symmetric. In case of Hermitian matrix, if A bar transpose is equal to A, then A is Hermitian. And if A bar transpose is equal to minus A, then A is skew Hermitian. This is the formula for Hermitian matrix. A bar transpose equal to A Hermitian, A bar transpose minus A skew Hermitian. By using these ideas, we will solve our question number 6. In question number 6, there are 2 parts. First part is A plus A bar transpose is Hermitian. And second one is A minus A bar transpose is skew Hermitian. Okay, I am taking part number 2. A minus A bar transpose is skew Hermitian. Okay. We have to prove that A minus A bar transpose whole bar transpose is equal to minus into A minus A bar transpose. Remember that by applying this formula, A bar, this is bar and this is transpose. A minus A bar transpose is just like A. So that will be equal to minus into A minus A bar transpose. Where A is equal to, what about A? A is equal to iota, 1 plus iota, 1 minus iota. Iota, 1 plus iota, 1 minus iota. What about A bar? A bar means conjugate of these numbers where the iota is involved. So there will be a change of sign before iota. Minus iota, 1 minus iota, 1 and plus iota. Then A minus A bar. After that you will take A bar transpose. Means interchanging rows into columns. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. So here we will write down A minus A bar transpose. A is iota 1 plus iota, 1 and minus iota, minus iota 1 minus iota and iota. After that, iota minus iota, what will be? Minus minus plus, that will be 2 iota. 1 plus iota minus 1 cancelled out iota. I am writing down directly. 1 minus 1 plus iota. So that will be plus iota. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 cancelled out, plus iota left. Minus iota, minus 2 iota. Remember that we have A minus A bar transpose whole bar. I am taking whole bar of this. What will be? Minus 2 iota. Here is minus iota, and plus 2 iota. Remember that. Now we will take left hand side. A minus A bar transpose whole bar whole transpose. So we will write down A minus A bar transpose whole bar minus 2 iota, minus iota and 2 iota, and here is transpose. Here we will take transpose. When we apply this transpose, we will interchange rows into columns. Okay, interchanging rows into columns, minus 2 iota, that was first row. It becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. After that, we will take minus common from here. Internal sign will change. 2 iota, and minus 2 iota. Remember that. What is this? Actually, this is A minus A bar transpose. A minus A bar transpose. That one. So we can write down minus into A minus A bar transpose. So that was your left hand side. We started with left hand side, and at the end we reached on to right hand side. That is your answer. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's your answer. I hope that you can do the other parts, and inshallah they will be easy for you. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.